So first order of business before I do a test video, testing this thing so many times around and around that the flint is terribly worn down. We hardly got any spark at all. So I'm going to rip this apart and put a new flint in there. So I figured I might as well show you how I do it. If anybody watching it needs to do so. Alright guys, so these tabs here on the bottom, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, these little tabs. And again, you got to be careful how you handle those things. Don't get rough with them with a pair of pliers. I just use my pocket knife to just pry them. Okay, take those 4 tabs off and the whole thing comes off, revealing the entire motor. Okay, now the flint is under here. Okay, you see that little red spot there? Barely see it. That's the flint. There's very little left on this flint. Very little. Now, the flint just pushes itself down with gravity onto the gear. Okay, so the flint is up now. I'm going to push it down. The flint makes contact with that gear, the metal gear, as it spins, and that's what makes the spark. Okay? It just relies on gravity to hold it down. So now I'm going to pull that little tiny bit of the flint, that flint that's left, pop that out of there, and I'm going to put a new one in there. These flints come in a bag load for like whatever, less than $5. And they also come in the other dispenser there. All the flints are the same. There's no special brand that's better than another one. They're all the same. Okay. So I'm going to change this now, and then we'll be ready to put this back together and move on.